Mukuru wa Vision Group Don Wanyama atandikire no kurambura icombe kwitse cy'uburaro bw'abeje Mbarara High School ekibahereze kutongoza bwanyuma y'uburaro bwabire buruho kucekereza ubwo muro na bwanyuma Don Wanyama tayayire Bishop w'ubureberezi bwa Ankore Right Reverend Fred Sheldon Mwesugwa
kureba tuganira kigambo cyo kureba ngo sima ruhango kureba ngo Vision Group nibageze honko kuba kubasa kugira ngo amawe kuriraga bahandika gajejineje wagateka hoje kandi ubundi tugija gakashisha institutions nari bitongori.
Don Wanyama asiimire ishomero rya Mbarara High School ahabwo ku omutindo murungi gw'eby'obwegyese mu ihanga. Wanyama araganiso ku Vision Group erikuza kongera kushajika eby'obwegyese mu Uganda.
We have been very deliberate to provide learning materials in our papers. I'm sure you've seen the pull-outs that we run, including the booklet, the newspaper, which has been doing past bill and all these others. Some of you might be teachers who have reached out to either set questions or things like that. This year we decided that we'll take our education experience out into the public.
Don Wanyama ayonjire yajumero obushomankuzo bw'eyonjiro minyeto mu Uganda. Wanyama ahira abakozi ba Mbarara High School miliyoni emwe okutandika sako yabo nk'abakozi.
Vision Group, we have a staff circle. It is done well. It has helped a lot with us being able to access this money at better rates. You know, the banks at times can be very prohibitive with their interest rates.
Ham ahimbisubwe mukuru w'ishomero rya Mbarara High School asiimire Vision Group ahabwo kushajika eby'obwegyese okurabira mu mpapuro z'amakuru za TV hamwe na radio.
Very good relationship with Vision Group in a number of ways. Allow me to highlight them because they are of significant importance. In the first place, New Vision gives us the broadest coverage in terms of events, in terms of adverts, and other ways of disseminating information through New Vision as a paper, through TV West, and Radio West for this region. And more recently, with the starting of the new Lower Secondary Region, New Vision has been our supplier of learning materials, specifically textbooks for the new Lower Secondary Region.
Aba bashazireke hagati ya kar n'amashemererwa na bwanyuma no kutandika amazina. Ahabwa TV West ndi area Sartugus.